Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by protecting data. Backup app settings and any search history so you can restore if needed. Once done, identify the specific search component or package name inside the app or OS. This is the target you will disable. Next, open the app settings or developer options and navigate to permissions and components. You will revoke search-related permissions and stop the component. Make sure you note original values so you can revert if something breaks. Now you perform the core changes. Disable indexing and any background search services so the app stops collecting or displaying suggestions. If the search feature is a separate module or plugin, remove or disable it through your package manager or the app's plugin list. This stops the UI from invoking search. You should also revoke related permissions like microphone, storage, and location because those enable proactive search features. After each change, confirm the search component no longer runs in the background. Finish by restarting the app or device so settings and caches update. This ensures removed components don't linger in memory. Once restarted, test all entry points, home search, in-app bars, shortcuts, to confirm search is gone. If you hit broken links or crashes, revert using your backup or re-enable one permission or component at a time to isolate the cause. A key troubleshooting tip: clear app cache before restoring settings, and only restore the minimal.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.